It's absolutely splendid. This waterfall, it's beautiful. Absolutely splendid.
We should make an edit of you just standing in the middle of the water.
Shut up, Vincent. Now that is a pretty splendid waterfall. Yeah. Shut up, Vincent. Shut up. Certainly is beautiful out here. Shut up, I'm trying to record nature. Yo, Vincent, do you think you can climb this? Try it. Oh, fiddlesticks, never mind, it's very wet, and it seems to have released spores. From The Last of Us. Okay, let's go down. Yeah. Vincent, you're a crazy man. Alright. Now let's see how agile this young specimen can go. Oh, so agile in his natural habitat. This is a pretty marvelous forest, if I do say so myself. Pretty marvelous. Swings and shines the sky. Listen, how much of this rock do you think is used in gravestones?
12.
Alright, everyone, today we're bashing Vincent's head into a rock. Hey, Vincent, now I'm your height. These natural stairs we found. Vincent, you ruined it. It seems to be dripping water from this wall.
Natural water?
That's gonna have about 500 prehistoric viruses in that water. Bro, at least it's mineral.
Yeah, minerals.
Mineral rich.
Put your hand against the wall.
Whoa. Okay, it is. Whoa.
Dude, it's actually a hole.
Yo, is there any of my diamonds in there?
No, wait. Climb me up the wall. Yay. Here, let me see if I can see you.
Yo, there's a pretty cool spider web out here.
Oh, nice.
Oh. I made it up here with Vincent. Now we're climbing up this place. I skid my knee. Ugh, the spider web. Ugh, hold on, I got it.
I'll show them.
Alright, we're trying that again now.
Check this out. Cool little rock area full of rocks. You can climb down there, but I'm not gonna. I'm not dumb.
This little caveman. Ook, ook. Ooh, 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 ooh. Also, there's a really cool river out there. You're like Spider-Man. No, Spider Midget.
Scope goes crazy.
Alright, we got some water here. Hold on. Nice. Green. Green.
I'm green, except I was yellow as a baby. I had jaundice. No, seriously.
What the? There's a branch there. Watch out, there's a branch there. Watch out, there's a branch there. Hold on, I'm getting water dripped on me. My hair's all wet. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, Jesus Christ. We're okay, we're up here.
Hi.
Okay, now that's actually beautiful.
Hey. Now you can get down.
That's absolutely beautiful. There's some beautiful water as well.
Get down there, man.
Laser eyes activate. Whoa! That's intense, man. Yeah! Let's go. God has blessed me with this sight, and I do not. If it's a lot of wind, I will give it that. A lot of water. A lot of water. Look at this monkey. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's so much mist. It's just so much mist. And it's cold.
Oh, it's so beautiful though.
It is amazingly beautiful. Hold on. Yeah, it do be amazingly beautiful. Amazingly beautiful. Yeah! Oh, Jesus. Recorded! Behold the monkey in his natural habitat. Oh, the mist is getting in my eye. Me and this dingleberry are wet. Look at this bozo. He's wet. I'm wet. Alright, recording. Very nice sound. Very crisp.
One more. We need variety. So let's do 3. So this is the second one. Here, let me throw it.
Now, big boy.
Now you're gonna have to send that to your computer and school.
I'm not doing that, you dingleberry.
I'm kidding. Well, I mean, it would sound nice, actually.
Yeah, I would. Anyways. Fact or crack, where we tested this rock is a fact or if it'll crack. It didn't crack. You go.
Oh yeah, look at this sparkly rock. It's such a cool, like, ancient sort of like relic.
It was fact. Even on our way back, doo-da, doo-da. Even on our way back home, doo-da, doo-da, day. Oh, Jesus.
I actually went caving before.
Yeah, I know. You told me.
Oh yeah, this was fun.
Okay, that's actually not very comfortable for me. Because remember, I'm bigger than you, Vincent. Yeah! Wait, what do you think I meant? Oh, Jesus Christ, guys. This is quite unsettling. Crikey, mate. It ain't no crack. Let's go past. Welcome to Cracker Fact. It cracked.
Yeah.
It's such a monkey. All right, monkey, let's go.
Girls were